So here we have a new streaming application, absolutely free, just jam-packed with thousands and thousands of movies, TV shows, and it even has live TV. Now this application doesn't need any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. I'm not using any kind of VPN. It has a fully working program guide. And with this latest update, updated for January 2025, they've now just added in even more great, amazing content. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here you can see directly on the Play Store, Rakuten TV, movies and TV series. It's now had more than 5 million downloads, very, very popular. And with its latest version, as you can see here, updated on the 23rd of January 2025. So it's a leading video on demand platform in Europe. Discover a universe of content all in one place, top Hollywood movies, documentaries, lots of channels absolutely free, and it has more than 10,000 titles available on demand. So superb application, jam-packed. Let me now jump over to my third generation Fire TV Cube and let me show you exactly what the application looks like. Now when you start the application for the first time, it will take you straight into the live TV guide or the live TV section, which we can see here. So here we can see some of the popular channels available directly on the home screen. Now, when you hover over a channel, it does actually start playing in the background if you leave it for a couple of seconds. But let's say, for example, I want to look at this True Crime UK. I can click on that, give that a second, and that should then load instantly in the background. And you can see it's done exactly that. And you can then see the EPG, the program guide, and tells you that on this particular channel, the Citizen Detective show is on. That's working great. Now if I press down on the remote, and I can now navigate through the other channels with the fully working program guide. You also have the filter on the left. So let's say, for example, I'm only interested in documentaries and factual channels. I can click on that. This will now filter out those channels and just show me those particular channels only. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Let's go back to the main menu. Let's scroll down. Now you can just see this massive library of more than 10,000 movies, TV shows, all properly categorized, all available to watch instantly with this free application. So these are the top movies, some of the higher rated stuff. Scroll down. Now you've got the last chance to watch for free, because as with most of these official streaming applications, they do regularly cycle the content. So certain shows or certain movies will drop out to make way for newer ones. So even if you have seen a previous version of this application before, it's always worthwhile checking in and just seeing exactly what the new version has now added. Lots of different things. Let's say I want to watch this this thing here. Let's click on that. And you can now click on watch free, and you even have the option to watch a trailer. Let's click on watch free. And in a couple of seconds, we should be taken straight into that particular movie. And that's worked absolutely fine. And I didn't see any adverts before this show started. Let's back out of that. You can also see more information about who's in the particular movie, the cast, the director, the genre. So you can see it is a well-featured application. Let's go back. Top free TV shows. So lots of very popular content in here. Let's say, for example, looking at this Andromeda. Let's click on that. If I scroll down, I can now see all of the episodes in that season. But it's not just one season only, guys. So if I scroll back to the top, we can see here, I can actually click on this. Now I can see all 5 seasons of this particular show are included. So a quick test, if I go to season 4, scroll down, now I can now see all of those episodes inside season 4. Let's try this one here just for a quick test, just to show you that it's not just one episode or one movie or one TV show, as this is an official licensed application. Everything in there is working. It's working straight away, and you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content absolutely free. And of course, buffer free. That starts straight away. Okay, let's back out of that. Then you got action movies, you got thrillers, you got family movies, comedies, horror, sci-fi, drama, romance, British movies, documentaries. I mean, the list just goes on, guys. And it's not just what you see here. As you can see, I can scroll to the right. There is lots and lots of content available. I can also click on live TV, and that should take me straight to the live TV guide, where I can then see all of the channels. And you can add these channels into your favorites. So Let's say, for example, I want to add in this action channel. When you long press that, you have the option here to add channel to favorite. Let's click on that. That's now been added. Let's just add in one more for a quick test. Let's long press this sci-fi one. Again, I can click on add channel. Now you can see on the left here with my categories, I can go to the top and now I have a dedicated section for my favorites, and that now has those 2 channels in there. So you can easily go through all of the channels, find the stuff that you're interested in, and then quickly add them into your favorites for quick and easy access. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this updated 2025 edition of this free application. As you've seen today, they've got a massive library of all of those movies, TV shows. Everything is properly categorized, and you even get a bunch of those live TV channels included, all with that fully working program guide. And to get all of that without requiring any registration or using any VPN, I do think this application is definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this on all of your devices, just go over to your Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, go to your search, and let's now search for Rakuten. If I just type that in, here we are, let's click on that. That's the application there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in your Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, I will save a copy of the latest version directly on my website. All you need to do is just head over to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial will be how you can get this application for all of your Android devices, your Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, and of course all of your Android TV devices. Now, as I said at the start of this video, as this application is designed for the European audience, it does require you to have a UK IP address. So double check and make sure you have got that. If you're not in the UK, you can of course use a VPN to change your virtual location to UK, and you can go ahead and access all of this great content. Right now, if you are looking for a super fast VPN, and when I say super fast, I really do mean super fast, guys. So as you can see here with a quick speed test with the server based in New York, I'm comfortably pushing over 500 meg downstream. So super fast VPN. But what makes it more special is right now they've got an amazing offer where they're offering access to over 3,200 servers in over 100 countries. So wherever you need to get your virtual IP address from, wherever you need to unlock your content from, having servers in over 100 countries means you can do that without any issue whatsoever. You can stream in 4K without any buffering. You get access to those really fast servers. It's also unlimited devices. So you buy one subscription with Surfshark, and you can install it on as many devices as you like. All of your Fire Sticks, your PCs, your phones, your tablets, laptops, Android TVs, all of those devices can be covered with just a single license. And to get all of that for $1.99 a month, so cheaper than a cup of coffee with 4 months extra free, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.